Life in Japan. So we were on our way to church this morning when my mom saw an email that they sent out a few hours ago letting everybody know that it was canceled, and now we are home and I realized that my room is truly a mess. There are random things thrown everywhere and I cleaned it just 2 days ago, but now it is already messy. It's very unorganized. There's a pigeon. There's 2 birds. Hold on. Look at the birds. Can you see them? There they are. Oops, hold on. Haha, see? Anyway, back to organization. So I'm gonna organize my room. I don't really have much else to do at this moment. Not really super busy. A lot of things have been canceled, obviously, because of COVID-19. I don't know if I said that at the beginning. Church was canceled because of COVID-19, aka coronavirus. So shall we begin? Yes. If you've never seen any of my videos before, I live in Okinawa, Japan. So technically this is like a Japanese room tour. So here's my Japanese room. So we walk in, here's my dresser. I used to have more of an earthy theme, and I try to do like some kawaii things. I don't know, I don't think it looks very good. So I'm gonna take all that down and put back what I had up. And then over here is my closet. It's really a mess. My desk. Bed. It's pretty tiny, but I like it. And now we're gonna organize it. I think the first thing I'm gonna do is clean everything up. Tuck in my trundle bed, put away things that are just randomly thrown places. Is that fuzz on my floor? I vacuumed 2 days ago. I don't think my parents realize that I'm making a video, so they're gonna think I'm like talking to myself or something. And I really haven't made a video in a while, but now, school's canceled for 3 weeks. I'll have plenty of time to make videos, I guess. I don't know what I'm gonna make them of. Okay, next, let's organize my bed. Now let's move on to this section. It's not really that messy. It's got some random things thrown on there. Also, my bangs. It's been quite the adventure. Great, so now my desk is cleaned off, minus that cup, which I'll take down later. In my dresser, I don't keep any clothes. I keep all my clothes in the closet. And I just keep all of my random things and decor in the drawers. Oh, let me tell you a story that happened last night. So I was getting ready for bed at like 12 a.m. because I was watching TV until late. And then I went to get ready. My mom bought me this fancy little herbal face stuff. And so I was getting it out of my medicine cabinet above my sink. I like knocked it over and then it fell and it slid across the sink and into the toilet. Yeah. Here, the last thing to organize my closet. On this side, I have my colors and the whites. I think I'm going to reorganize the colors. Coming down here, we have a giant mess. These are all of my pants, and then over here, well, this is just random things that I've worn and have not thrown in their dirty clothes. Sorry, Mom. These are all the clothes that I have not put away yet. I need to get rid of some shoes because they're starting to pile up. I decided I'm gonna get rid of these. They're kind of uncomfortable. Now I have room for all of my shoes to actually touch the floor. I think I'm going to reorganize them by type of shoe. I think I'm gonna speed it up so you don't... Oh, my door just slammed. That was very loud. Because I have the window open. Is this a raisin? There's literally a raisin on my floor. At least I hope it's a raisin. Wow, a raisin! Let me just set the raisin aside and get back to organizing my shoes. A missing pair of my shoes. Look at this. They're all the way back here. Wondering where those were. This, I think, is gonna go. Yes, this can go too. This. So I took a little break and my parents encouraged me to get rid of things, so I picked out some clothes back there that I'm gonna get rid of, and now I'm gonna go through my hats. This hat they gave me when I joined Civil Air Patrol, but I never wear it. So I don't think I need that. Then I went through this stack and I'm gonna get rid of these. Right now, I'm gonna move on to this section here. There are a bunch of things sandwiched in between this small space. This dress, I don't think I'm ever gonna wear it. I have 2 black turtlenecks and I don't need 2 black turtlenecks. Closet is now done being organized. Alright, so here's my freshly organized little Japanese room. So that was the organization and closet clean out of my small little Japanese room. I found quite a few things to depart with. I don't know, do you want to see them? I'll show you as I'm saying like the ending stuff. Okay, so if you'd like to see more videos from Asia, make sure to hit the subscribe button. I appreciate you and your view. Thank you guys so much for 70 subscribers. Really appreciate it. So yeah, I'll try to make some videos while I'm off school because our school got closed because of, what's it called? COVID-19, that's the fancy name for it. So yes. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. See you next time.